I'm Patricia, and today we are going to make a very simple salad, Macédoine. And here are the ingredients. We have carrots, and then we have potatoes, we have turnip, and then we have French beans, we have tomatoes, a bunch of parsley, very fresh, and then we have black pepper, we have salt, we have peas, green peas, very fresh one, we have eggs, and then we have, of course, mayonnaise. And thank you for watching this video till to the end. Step one, we are going to peel the potatoes, and for me I prefer using the knife when I'm peeling my potatoes, because this is the way I learned since when I was small, using a knife. And then I put it in the cold water aside. Yeah. Then I attack my turnip and peel it, so using a knife, as you can see, and make sure you peel it very well, because salad, we don't want to see small eyes. We call them eyes in our language, in the potatoes or such kind when you are peeling. Now we are going to peel the carrots. The carrots, I'm going to use the carrot peeler, which is the easiest way to peel the carrot, because of course it was meant to peel the carrots, but we normally use sometimes peeling the other vegetables. Here I'm going to cut the carrots in Macedonian style, that is cube size, small cube, equal size, as you can see. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here to this channel, and hit the bell button so that it can reach more people out there. Now we are going to do the same thing with the potatoes. We cut them in small pieces, as you can see. Yeah, the small equal pieces, like the one I did it with the carrots. And then that is it. It's very simple. You can see I'm doing this salad from the scratch. I'm showing you everything, A to Z. Then we have our French beans. Of course, you're going to remove the tips of the French beans, and then we cut the same equal sizes as we had done with the carrots and potatoes. Yeah, these are very fine French beans. I remember eating these French beans when we were small, because in Kenya we have so many. And then we have, I'm going to cut the tomatoes the same. I'm going to dice them the same sizes. It's not easy to cut the tomatoes because they have cheese inside, but we are trying to do the same way. And don't forget these ingredients, they have to be equal, the same whatever grams. Now here we have the parsley, cut off the stem and put them aside, but don't throw them away, because sometimes, like me, I use it to prepare when I'm preparing the stock. Then chop, like what I'm doing. I'm chopping the parsley, chop, 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 then put it aside. You can see these herbs are very nutritious in our health. Now you can see all of them are equal in the same bowl. You can try to measure even with the eyes, but I'm going to put the ingredients in the description box. Here you can see we have all of them here, like carrots, potatoes, parsley, tomatoes, French beans, and of course parsley. The next thing, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to boil my vegetables. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil them in two different casseroles. Carrots, I'll boil them together with the potatoes, and then green peas, I'm going to boil them with the French beans for 10 minutes each. But you can cook them, it depends with your carrots. You can cook them for only 8 minutes, it's enough, because we want salad to be a little bit crunchy but not mushy salad. So make sure don't overcook them. And then, yeah, boil for only 8 to 10 minutes, it's enough. Then drain them in the cold water, ice cold water, or if you don't have ice cold, very cold water, then keep them aside. Keep it aside. The next thing, I'm going to boil my eggs in salty water for only 8 minutes to make a hard-boiled eggs. You can see, yeah. Then after that, I peel the eggs and then keep them aside as well. Now here we come. We are going to assemble all the, mix. I'm speaking French, I'm sorry. We are going to mix all the ingredients together, or to combine, that is it. And first here, I'll cut the eggs the same size like the vegetables and keep it aside. Oh, yummy. You can see for 12 minutes my eggs is done very well. Now I mix the vegetables together. As you can see, I've added also the tomatoes in the vegetables, in the cooked vegetables. Then I'm mixing. You can see this salad. I remember people have been asking, I did a shot of this salad, but people are asking for practical recipe, that's why I did it. Then I add my parsley, and then I season with salt and pepper to taste, yeah. That's why I decided to do this salad. And of course, I'm not going to cook tonight. We are going to eat this. As I told you, you can eat it like a dinner, like a main dish, I mean. Then I'm going to add my mayonnaise. This is the time I'm adding my mayonnaise. Wow. It's a very fresh and crunchy. Not very fresh and crunchy salad, very fresh for the family. I'm telling you, if you try this salad, your family will not forget. You'll be asking you all the time to prepare for them. Don't worry, I have my son here who is joking around with me, but it's okay, they are kids. And now you can see I've combined all of them together with the mayonnaise and all that. And now this time our salad is ready. It's remaining now is to add only the eggs at the end. Of course, I've not added the eggs with the before because it's going to be mashed. So I've added my eggs at the end so that it cannot be mashed. You can see it's yummy. It's look yummy. This is a salad It's kind of French salad because French people like it so much. They always prepare once a week, because I have friends who are French, but they eat most of the time this salad. And then you can see I'm serving for the family, so they can serve themselves to be self-service. Yeah. Then you at least, we eat with eyes as well. You have to garnish. You see what I'm going. That's why I had parsley as well. I did not use all of it while I was mixing, so I decided to keep a little bit for garnishing. This is the time I'm garnishing there. You just garnish with a little bit, but not too much, so that your family will be when they see the salad, they will like it and they will be eagerly waiting for it to eat. Okay, that is it. Our salad is ready, and thank you so much for watching this.